Now in the other videos when I was pulling the motor, I dropped it down on a low cart, like a lumber cart from Home Depot that I have. And I said I was going to build a cart. And I just went on Facebook Marketplace and here's a cart. I'm just going to have to take the handle, probably cut it off and shorten it up, weld it down flat. We'll see. But this is a cart I'm going to use now for dropping motors on. I mean, I paid $150 for it. I really kind of seem to have some luck on buying stuff when I need it. It pops up. Only thing is usually, you know, a half hour away or 45 minutes. But for 150 bucks, you know, the wheels would probably cost me close to 75 bucks. So steel, fuel more $100, easy. My time, a field day, you know, 2 days, day and a half making it probably. Plus it's all formed. So, you know, can't beat it. Morning guys, I'm out in the shop early this morning. Facebook Marketplace is my weakness. I'm always popping on my phone, finding stuff. I guess it could be a good thing, but I had picked up all this stuff last week, and someone had messaged me that they had some Corvair stuff come look at it. And so picked up these emblems here. Chevrolet ones, some more Greenbrier, you know, I had to grab them. I got some of these grills and a couple lenses and the handles. And then along with this, I actually got 7 FC axles with the bearings, another set of bearings. I see some starters. They're for 61, but I still bought them anyways. Yeah, it's my weakness. Oh yeah, then I got also picked up some car AC vents, a couple of them. They're real nice, and some beauty rings, the Chevrolet ones. A set of 5 of them in a box. The box was pretty much kind of destroyed, but I got a set of them. Then I was here we go, and I was in the house editing some videos Saturday afternoon with Jill, and these had popped up, and I grabbed my phone, just turn it on. This is the first thing that comes up. Just posted 12 minutes ago. Vintage ET 14s, and with the lug nuts, no caps, center caps. He kept the caps, but as far as I know. But anyways, so they were on the other side of Phoenix, and so I had to run over the other side from here, hour one way, run over there and get them. The guy was nice enough to hold them for me. He said, yeah, one guy kept messing in the back, our double it, our triple it. I got them for $100 with the lug nuts. You know, tires, you know, you change them anyway, so it's used for rollers or something. But I always kind of wonder, these are the old ones with the steel centers, or no, steel rims with the aluminum centers. So I always wonder how they weld that, you know, steel to aluminum. Very interesting. I think the ones I have on the custom one here, I think they're all aluminum on these ones. Yeah, them are just all aluminums on there. So I picked them up for $100. And then also this week, this popped up. It's a 102 1963. Said it's got 1964 carbs on it. I learned a thing or two too. There's a shaft that goes down, and it's got a deal on there that, like a thermostat, that heats up to open them up to choke. Once it warms, it closes. Missing the rods, but he went over the motor. I wouldn't say rebuilt. He had it, took it to a shop, and they said everything was in tolerances, so they just honed it out. He had them do it. He went and put all new rings, new bearings, all new gaskets in there. He gave me these, I forget what you call them, to hold the valve covers on tight. He didn't put those on. He left the valve covers loose because he didn't run the motor, so he got just the valves. But yeah, he kind of went over the whole thing. I mean, very knowledgeable. Another guy now I met, a young guy, He's in the Corvair. It's very cool. He's in a Corvair club here that I haven't joined yet, which I will be joining shortly. Cactus Corvairs. So he was going to build this one. Well, he built it for himself for one, and then he's decided to go a different way with a turbo or something. So I picked this one up, thinking it's a 63, and I have that 63 Monza that I was talking about putting a 140 in, and this just popped up, so, you know, probably easy just to throw this in there. It's set up with a manual bell housing already on it, so, yeah, I got to stay off of that. It's my kryptonite, you know. I end up wasting time. I got lots of stuff to be doing in this shop. I got to get wrenching and get this motor out of, I get the motor out of this one and get that one looked at, see if we'll rebuild it and get it in the ramp side here and get it rebuilt, get it in there, because fan belt toss and pump strings is going to be right around the corner. And the time I order parts and get the block and stuff in the machine shop, I'll be pressing for time. So I told Jill, I says, I'm going to be just cranking hours as much as I can out here and see what I can get done. It's just got to get done. I want to be there with the vehicle. All right, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Thanks, Corvair Addiction.